So we were looking for a modern, glam style refrigerator with an industrial feel and something that was customizable in different color finishes. Yes, PIRCH actually exceeded those expectations. We went in looking for just a kind of a standard but high-end refrigerator. I didn't know that such a stylish industrial, refrigerator existed, and the knowledgeable sales staff helped with that. So yeah, working with the project coordinators was great. The response times were amazing. They were very friendly and helpful and knowledgeable about the true product.